Demystifying GANs, Understanding Generative Adversarial Networks. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, one area that has seen significant growth and development is the field of artificial intelligence, AI. What are GANs? Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, are a type of neural network architecture that consists of two networks, a generator and a discriminator. How do GANs work? GANs work by pitting the generator and discriminator against each other in a game-like scenario. The generator creates fake data samples, and the discriminator tries to differentiate between real and fake data. The generator gets better at creating realistic data as it learns from its mistakes, while the discriminator gets better at detecting fake data. GAN applications. They can be used in image generation, video synthesis, text-to-image synthesis, style transfer, and more. The importance of GANs. GANs are important because they have the potential to revolutionize various industries, including entertainment, healthcare, and cybersecurity. Conclusion. In conclusion, generative adversarial networks are a fascinating and powerful technology that has the potential to transform the way we create and interact with data.